Hey guys, this is Monica Suri. Welcome back to my channel. Today we learn about pattern making for a beginner. As a designer, you have to know about pattern making, so let's get started. First of all, you have to know what is pattern making. Pattern making is an art. It is the art of manipulating the shaping a flat piece of fabric to conform to one or more curve of the human figure. Pattern making is a bridge and function between design and production. A sketch can be turned into the garment while pattern which interpret of design in the form of garment component. As you can see this body croquis, I have divided into alphabetic categories. This help you to describe the pattern development. As you can see, the first point neck, bust, and 2A is under bust, 3 is waist, 4 is abdomen, 5 is hip, 6 is bust span, and 7 is bust height, 8 is waist height, and 9 is back length, and 10th is back width, and shoulder is 11 point, and 12 is abdomen height, 13 is hip height, 14 is bicep, and 14A is armhole, and 14B is forearm, and 15 is wrist, 16 is arm length, and pant outseam is 17 point, and 17A is waist to knee, and 8 is crotch depth, and 18A is waist front to back crotch. This is easy to pattern development. Now we discuss about pattern development. A pattern is a flat while the body is not. The body has height, width and depth. Within this roughly cylindrical framework, and there are a series of secondary curves and bulges which are of concern to the pattern maker that are the basis of the pattern making. They convert the flat piece of cloth into the three-dimensional from which fits of bulges of the body. As a beginner, you can make a flat sketch for pattern making. A pattern maker typically make a pattern from a flat sketch with measurement or two-dimensional fashion illustration. The basic pattern is a very foundation upon which pattern making and fit and design are based. The basic pattern is the starting point for flat pattern designing. It is a simple pattern that fits the body and with just enough ease for movement and comfort. Guys, you have to know about that method of pattern making. Pattern making involves three methods. It's very important to learn that. So first is drafting. Drafting it's involved the measure and derived from a sizing and system are accurate measurement and taken on a person dress a body from a measurement for chest, waist, hip and so on. And ease allowance are marked on paper and construction lines are drawn to complete the pattern, and drafting is used to create a basic foundation or design patterns. And second method is draping. It involves the draping of a two-dimensional piece of fabric around a form and conforming to its shape, creating a three-dimensional fabric pattern. This muslin is transferred to paper and to be used as a final pattern. Ease allowance for movement are added to make the garment comfortable to wear. Advantage of draping is that the designer can see the overall design and effect of the designed garment on the body from before the garment piece is cut and sewing. So, however, it is the more expensive and time consuming and then flat pattern making.
The third method, flat pattern making. It involves the development of a fitted basic pattern with comfort ease to fit a person or body form. A sloper is the starting point for the flat pattern designing. It is a simple pattern and that fits the body with just enough ease, the movement, comfort. And 5 basic pattern pieces are used for women's clothing. They include a sunk fitted and body front and bodies and back with a dart and basic neckline, a sleeve, a fitted skirt front and back with dart, However, as fashion change frequently, women's style and fluctuate frequently. These basic slopers are then manipulated to create a fashion. A basic sloper has no seam allowance and which facilitates and manipulation to various styles. It has no design interest, only construction lines and marked on it. And it is necessary that the basic structure of sloper and should be such that adjustment and can be introduced easily. For a good pattern making, accurate measurement are at most important.
Thanks for watching this information. Hope you learned something new and enthusiastic understanding. Like, subscribe my channel, then you can check it out my new vlog and entertaining videos. Thanks. Bye bye.